Brunch stuffed pancakes, guys. This one is so fun. We're gonna start off here by pouring our pancake batter into a slotted spoon, and as you can see, those little bubbles of pancake are just gonna fall through those slots and fry up, and we'll use those later. In the meantime, we're gonna start building this pancake. I have some bacon bits here, some scrambled eggs, cheddar cheese, and a hash brown. I'm just gonna stick that right on top. And then fish out these little pancake balls that we are gonna doctor up in just a second. Let them dry off there from the oil, and we'll go ahead and cover the rest of our pancake brunch surprise with a little bit more pancake batter. Get a perfect circular shape here, and then let's just go sink it into that oil, and you should come out with a nice stuffed cylinder type pancake just like this. Then let's move on over here and season up these pancake balls. I've got some cinnamon and sugar. I'm just gonna dust them with that and give it a mix around. And then take our stuffed brunch pancake here and cover it, drizzle it with that maple syrup. And then we're gonna come right across with these cinnamon toasted crunchy balls and cover our pancake with that. It is giving cinnamon toasty crunchy pancake brunch breakfast. And then let's hit it with some fresh berries for a little bit extra flavor and some beautiful color. This is perfect for brunch, perfect for your kids, perfect for anybody. And then let's just finish it off with some powdered sugar. And this is ready to go. This is diner worthy. Let's slice into it and see what we've got in the interior. Beautiful stuffed, bacony, cheesy, melty goodness.